It's one of those days, isn't it? Here's someone looking down a lot. Yep, she's holding one. So that is what I noticed with them. Alright lads, someone up ahead of you there. Should you be doing that?
Yeah.
Do you know what's going to happen next?
What's gonna happen?
I'm going to report it to the police that you're using your phone while driving.
Well
And in
done.
about 2 weeks you'll get a letter from them. Didn't even know I was there until it was too late.
You're a silent assassin.
That's it. Have a good day, guys.